As a new Jeep owner or a new off-roader, it can be so overwhelming knowing what to buy and where to start. So today we're going to get you started with a recovery kit. These 5 items are your must-have for your off-road recovery kit. I feel your recovery strap should be your #1 item. You need to make sure you have a good quality recovery strap. And you need to make sure you have a recovery strap and not a tow strap. The recovery straps are designed for the rigors of pulling out a stuck vehicle. A tow strap is designed for flat road towing. You will also want to make sure that it's rated for the proper load. There's a warning tag on the strap that will give you the rated capacity, material type, and precautions. All recovery straps are rated according to their braking strength, which at a minimum should be approximately twice as much as the maximum vehicle weight that it can safely tow. So if your Jeep weighs 5,000 pounds, you'll need a recovery strap that can pull double that weight. 10,000 pounds. Another item is a tree saver. Mine is an ARB recovery tree trunk protector at 12,000 kilograms. They can be used with a winch and a pulley block. A 10,000 pound winch can potentially pull 20,000 pounds. So this 12,000 kilograms equals 26,000 pounds. So double your winch's capacity in general and you're safe. Okay, your third item are your shackles. This is a soft shackle, and this is your D-ring shackle. Only shackles, aka D-rings, that are load rated should be used for vehicle recovery. Load ratings are stamped onto the shackle. It will be in the form of WLL, working load limit, or SWL, safe working load. Shackles with a rating of at least 3.25 T should be the minimum and are suitable for attaching one end of the strap. A 4.75 T rated shackles have a larger eye and are more suitable to applications such as tree trunk protectors where the 2 ends of the strap are fitted into the shackle. The last 2 items to finish off the 5 items in your basic off-road recovery kit are a pair of gloves and a shovel. There are so many more items you can put in your off-road recovery kit, but these 5 items will give you a great basic start. Make sure you check all your items for warnings and load ratings and keep your gear in good condition. This will help for safety off-road.